Well, May long weekend, and all the greenery is got some snowery on it.
More job security. Men perceive brunettes as more intelligent and reliable. While blondes are considered a little more like that. This is according to the research, so there you go. 2-to-1 for brunettes. So this round goes to the brunettes, Mark. Wow. The latest surveys. The blondes really have more fun. We're not sure.
She has pride.
But this isn't fair.
Well, Robert and Ben were out here and she could hear them talking.
Yeah.
We better put your shoes inside. She may take off with them.
No, just one.
See, we only got 2 fireworks and one of the fuse is gone. I don't know if we can get it going now.
So we're going to see a firework.
Yeah.
I can get you some more.
We'll do it. These kids gotta go to bed.
I can get you some more.
No.
Okay, we'll do a firework.
Make sure Millie doesn't go with Papa.
I got a free dessert tonight.
Did you?
Baklava. Did you ever have baklava? It's a Greek dessert.
Was this down at the Greek place in National System?
No, Dimitri's downtown.
She wasn't 50. Mark said she was and she wasn't.
He's
It's like somebody saying, oh, you're going to be 10 and you're only going to be 8. Cover up your arms, Ben, in case some mosquito comes after you here.
Yes, so she
Okay,
came along
watch.
and
You watch. Papa's going to try to light that one that the fuse has gone off of.
let's hope it doesn't. Oh, something's lit.
But he lit a piece of wood.
Oh.
Okay, now don't take your eyes off it, guys, because it's very.
Here
Okay.
we go.
Woo! Oh, look at the dog go! Oh, look at them going! Oh, the dog's scared to death!
My favorite.
Oh, isn't that blue one pretty?
Green.
Hey,
Oh!
Yay! Papa, do it again! I told you this was the rainbow one. Wow.
That was short lived.
Pat's birthday, and the tree is full blossomed.
I thought I heard a noise.